Have you ever felt that, familiar sting of frustration with traditional banking? Maybe it's the long lines or the confusing forms, or maybe a digital app that just doesn't quite cut it, especially when something goes wrong. Or maybe you just wish for banking that genuinely works for you, something that makes life easier and maybe even rewards you for just living your life. Well, today we're doing a deep dive into something really fascinating. It's an innovative financial model making waves over in the Philippines' GoTyme Bank. And this isn't just another digital bank app, it really seems to be a different approach altogether.
That's exactly right. Our mission today is to really unpack GoTyme's unique Phygital approach. That's physical plus digital. We're going to look at how it redefines convenience, accessibility, and even rewards in banking. You'll see how it blends the best of both worlds, digital and physical, to create something genuinely new, especially for a dynamic place like the Philippines.
Okay, Phygital, I like that. So, with that setup, how does this actually work for people day to day? Let's start with the basics. GoTyme Bank is a digital bank in the Philippines. And it's a joint venture, right, between the Gokongwei Group and Time. Why is that partnership important?
That partnership is absolutely crucial. It's highly strategic. You've got the Gokongwei Group, a huge trusted name in the Philippines with massive retail presence combined with Time's international digital banking tech and experience. So this mix lets GoTime scale quickly and understand local needs deeply, something a purely foreign or purely local player might struggle with. It gives them instant credibility and reach. And for you listening, this underlines its legitimacy and its safety. GoTyme Bank is fully licensed, regulated by the central bank. Plus, deposits are insured by the PDIC, the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation.
Right, like any major bank.
Exactly. So your savings are protected up to limit. It's a real bank, just, built for today.
Okay, that makes sense. Established trust plus cutting-edge tech. Now, let's circle back to that word you used, Phygital. You said it's their core model, not just marketing speak. What does that actually look like in practice?
It really is their foundation. Phygital means combining a smooth mobile app with a real, tangible physical presence. They do this with kiosks, not in bank branches, but inside Robinson's retail stores, places people already go.
Interesting. So embedding banking into everyday shopping.
Precisely. Think of it as bridging the digital convenience with the physical interaction people often still want or need. And why does this matter for you, the customer, especially in a market like the Philippines? Well, it tackles anxieties about purely online banking, things like trust or needing face-to-face help sometimes. In many cultures, physical presence builds that trust. This model offers that bridge. It provides reassurance and accessibility that purely digital banks can find hard to match, particularly for people maybe newer to banking.
That's a really smart way to build trust, meet people where they are, literally. So, okay, the Phygital Foundation is clear. Let's dive into the GoTyme Bank app itself then. It sounds like it's built around simplicity, access, and rewards. How easy is it to get started? Well, one thing that really stands out is the easy onboarding. Apparently, you can open an account in under 5 minutes. Seriously, like less than 5 minutes. All you need is a Philippine mobile number, address, and a valid ID. That's it.
And here's where that Phygital convenience really clicks in for onboarding. You actually get two great options. You can do it all in the app super fast, or you can pop into one of those kiosks in a Robinson store.
Okay.
And get this. At the kiosk, there's a bank ambassador, a real person, to help you out, answer questions, and this is the amazing part. Print your personalized Visa debit card right there on the spot for free.
Wow. Okay. No waiting for the mail.
Nope. Instant card, ready to use. Imagine walking out with your account open and your card in hand. That instant access is huge for building trust and getting people started quickly.
That is incredible. Instant gratification, you could say. All right, so you're in, card in hand. How does the app help with actual savings and financial management? I heard about features like Go Save and Go Shop.
GoSave is quite a neat tool. It's designed to make saving feel intuitive. The app lets you create up to 5 separate savings accounts, like digital piggy banks for different goals.
Okay, goal-based saving.
Exactly. And these aren't just basic pots. They offer high interest rates, importantly, with no minimum balance needed, and no deposit caps or weird missions you have to complete to get the interest. You set goals, new phone, holiday, emergency fund, and track your progress right there. It makes saving feel less abstract, more achievable, especially for those maybe new to formal saving. It encourages good habits through simple design.
That does sound much less intimidating. And Go Shop, that connects to the debit card and rewards, right?
Spot on. Go Shop ties directly into using your GoTyme Visa debit card. You earn Go Rewards points every time you use it. Doesn't matter if it's at partner stores like Robinson's Supermarket or Shopwise or, frankly, anywhere else that takes Visa.
Everywhere.
Pretty much everywhere Visa is accepted. And these points aren't just, tiny discounts. You can redeem them for actual cash within the app or use them for other transactions.
Ah, so real value back.
Exactly. So, connecting it back to you, the listener, Go Save helps you budget and make saving attractive with good rates. Go Shop turns your everyday spending into rewards, basically putting money back in your pocket, or at least value. It's a system that weaves finance into your daily life, making it less of a chore and more of a, well, rewarding cycle.
That constant reward cycle sounds compelling. Okay, so saving and earning rewards are covered. What about the bread and butter of banking moving money? How does GoTyme handle transfers and payments? Well, first off, they offer free transfers between GoTyme accounts. That's handy for family or friends using it too. And here's a nice perk for you. They include some free Instapay transfers each week to other local banks. Instapay is the Philippines real-time system.
That's key.
Right now, it's 3 free ones a week, which, avoids those annoying little fees that add up. They also have mobile check deposits. You can deposit a check just by snapping a photo in the app, up to a certain limit, of course. No branch visit needed.
Super convenient.
Definitely. And for paying at shops or online, the app supports QRVH payments, the national QR code standard, so easy cashless payments.
Okay, so it's convenient. But that always brings up the question of security. In this digital space, how does GoTyme balance making things easy with keeping your money safe? Well, first, the app interface itself is clean, really user-friendly, easy to navigate, easy to see what's going on. But behind that simplicity, there's robust security.
Right.
We're talking multi-factor authentication, real-time fraud monitoring, bank-grade encryption, the works. Little things too, like your debit card number and balances are hidden by default in the app. Adds privacy.
Well, that's smart.
Yeah, and it logs you out automatically after inactivity. Basic stuff, but important. And again, that Phygital element helps with security perception too. If you do have a concern, you're not lost in chatbot hell. They have 24/7 customer support, chat, phone, email. There'll be human touch when you need it. That builds confidence.
Right. Get the digital speed, but also the reassurance of human backup and solid security. It sounds like they're trying to build both trust and ease of use at the same time. We've mentioned rewards a few times, but let's zoom in specifically on the Go Rewards integration. Is this just tacked on, or is it genuinely central to the whole GoTyme experience?
Oh, it's absolutely central, not an afterthought at all. Because you earn those Go Rewards points automatically with your GoTyme card, especially within that huge Gokongwei retail network, it creates this really powerful banking on rewards loop.
The closed loop ecosystem.
Exactly. It's more than just points. It feels like a direct return on your spending. It really drives engagement. And like we said, those points aren't just for tiny discounts. Redeem for cash, use them to pay for things in the app. They have real, immediate value. It fundamentally changes how you might see your bank, not just a place to hold money, but something that actively gives back based on your daily activity.
So it really makes banking feel less passive and more like an active part of managing and even gaining value from your money just by doing everyday things. What kind of difference is that making for them in the market? Is it helping them stand out?
Oh, definitely. It fosters a sense of participation, Making rewards immediate and integrated encourages people to actually use the account more, maybe consolidate their spending and saving there. Why wouldn't you if you're getting tangible benefits back?
Right. It creates loyalty.
Exactly. It builds stickiness. It helps them attract and keep customers who might otherwise stick with older banks out of habit. It positions the bank as a partner in your lifestyle, not just a utility.
Okay, so we've covered a lot. We've done a deep dive into GoTyme Bank, its innovative Phygital model, that blend of digital ease and physical presence. We looked at the smart savings tools, the rewarding spending cycle via Go Rewards, and the robust security underneath it all.
Yeah, and if we pull back to the bigger picture, what GoTyme offers you is this really unique banking experience. It's fast, it's rewarding, and somehow it feels quite personal, even though it's largely digital. It seems designed to just fit into your life smoothly, whether you're an app person or someone who appreciates seeing a friendly face at a kiosk for that instant service. It kind of challenges that idea that digital has to mean impersonal.
So thinking about all that, here's something for you to maybe chew on after our chat today. How might this Phygital model This blend of digital and physical influence the future of banking, maybe in other emerging markets or even completely different industries. What does GoTyme's success tell us about what customers really value now in this world constantly shifting between online and offline? Could this be a glimpse of how expectations might change everywhere?